How do I troubleshoot my AirPods sound issues?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk through some common problems you might encounter with your AirPods, specifically focusing on sound issues and how to troubleshoot them. Whether you're dealing with imbalance in sound, low volume, or no sound at all, this video will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve these issues.
Are your AirPods connected properly?
The first thing you want to ensure is that your AirPods are properly connected to your device. Try to disconnect and reconnect your AirPods. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, find your AirPods in the list of devices, and tap on "Forget this device." Then, try pairing them again.
Is the sound imbalanced?
Sometimes, the issue is not that there's no sound, but that the sound is imbalanced. One AirPod is louder than the other. This could be due to settings in your device. Navigate to the accessibility settings on your iPhone or iPad and check the audio balance slider. Make sure it's in the middle for even distribution of sound.
Are your AirPods clean?
Another factor that could affect your AirPods sound quality is cleanliness. Accumulated earwax or debris can block the speakers and affect the sound. Make sure to clean your AirPods carefully, using a soft, dry, lint-free cloth.
Is your volume turned up?
This might sound obvious, but ensure your device's volume level is turned up. Sometimes, your device may be connected to another device or speaker, causing the volume to be reduced on your AirPods.
Have you tried resetting your AirPods?
If none of the above work, you might want to try resetting your AirPods. This is done by putting your AirPods in the charging case, then pressing and holding the button on the back of the case until you see the status light flash amber, then flash white. That's it for today's guide on how to troubleshoot sound issues on your AirPods. Hopefully, these steps will help you enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable listening experience with your AirPods. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple's customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.